Hello everyone, welcome to Andy's World. Today's episode is the most awaited and requested video. This is the rich plum cake video, especially during this Christmas season. This is very easy and super tasty. So let's get started. Here I have 500 grams of refined flour or maida. For this I've taken 8 eggs. Feel free to add 8 to 10. I have taken 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of oil. You can add 400 grams of complete butter or just oil completely, but here I've split into 200 grams each. Next we need baking powder, 1 teaspoon. 500 grams of brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar for the color. You can use plain sugar as well. We need to powder this later. 500 grams of soaked plums, and this is the rum and the juice extracted from the plum. You can check out the video which I will upload in the end of this current video so you can get the detailed ingredients. So let's start baking. Here I have taken around 500 grams of dry fruits, plums and walnuts and cashews soaked in rum. I've prepared a video on it, you can just check that out. So here we need to coat it with flour. Otherwise, this will sink to the bottom of the cake when it is baking. And follow the process. If you don't have time, then you can soak it for a minimum of 24 hours. In case you do not even have time for a day, you can just boil everything together, sugar and rum as per the video, and you can start preparing the same. To start off preparing the cake, let's add in butter. The butter needs to be nice and soft in room temperature. Let's add in the powdered brown sugar little by little. Beat it well using a hand mixer or a whisk, not a problem. Once the sugar is nice combined, add in the oil and mix it well. Now beat the oil, butter and sugar until well combined, when it becomes light and fluffy. If you can see now, the mixture is nice, light and pale in color, so this is at the right consistency. Now time to add in the eggs. Don't add all the eggs together, just add the eggs one at a time, beat it, and again add another set of eggs. So total 8 eggs together. So I've added all the eggs, in total 8 eggs. Beat it really well. Can you see it's nice, light, airy and volume. Now add in vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of a pinch of salt and mix it well together, just a light mix. Now let's add in the plums which we have coated with flour into this egg mixture and mix it well into the egg mixture. Do not over mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and give it a good mix so that the flour and the soda and the baking powder is combined. Add the flour little by little through a sieve so that the flour is sieved and the air is well incorporated into the batter. Using a whisk or a spatula, gently fold in the flour into the batter, but make sure you don't over mix it. Add in the remaining flour into the batter and do the same thing. Last and the final step, let's add in the rum and the juice extracted from the soaked plums to get that flavor in your cake. So our batter is now ready to be set in the oven to be baked. Now make sure you preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10. In the meantime, let's prepare the pan. I've already greased the pan and then layer the butter paper all around the corner and the base. Pour in the batter into the cake tin and tap it to have any air released. So let's leave this in the oven to bake at 180 degrees for 1 hour till the knife comes out clean without any batter in it once you poke in it. Woohoo! Our Christmas cake is now ready to be served. Isn't it looking so delicious and gorgeous, right? This is a very easy recipe and the taste is just amazing. Make this Christmas extra special by baking this delicious rich plum cake recipe for your family and make them want for more. For more detailed recipe about how to soak the plums, I have put on a video. Please click on that link. It has the detailed recipe of all the ingredients which get into the plums, which adds extra taste to the cake. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Do prepare this cake and leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and click on the bell icon for notifications of all my videos. Don't forget to give a like if you enjoyed watching this video. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care. Bye bye.